Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to post photos to Strava. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Strava application on your device. Once the app loads and you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon sitting there, which is your gateway to creating new content on the platform. Go ahead and tap on this plus icon to open up your posting options. After tapping the plus icon, a menu will appear showing you different types of content you can create. From this menu, tap on Post. This option is specifically designed for sharing photos, updates, and personal content with your Strava community, separate from your regular workout activities. It's a great way to share moments from your training, gear updates, or anything fitness related you want your followers to see. Now that you're in the post creation screen, look towards the bottom of your display. You'll see an image icon there, which is what you need to tap next. This icon opens up your device's photo gallery, giving you access to all the images stored on your phone. Tap on this image icon to browse through your available photos. Once your photo gallery opens, take a moment to scroll through and find the photo you want to upload to Strava. This could be a picture from your recent run, a scenic view from your cycling route, or anything you'd like to share with your followers. When you found the right photo, tap on it to select it. After selecting your photo, you'll see a Done button appear on the screen. Tap Done to confirm your photo selection and return to the post creation screen. Your chosen photo will now appear in the post editor, ready to be shared. With your photo loaded, it's time to add some context to your post. In the caption field at the top of the screen, input a caption that describes what you're sharing. You can write about where the photo was taken, what workout you completed, how you're feeling about your training, or anything else relevant to the image. This caption helps engage your followers and gives them insight into your fitness journey. Adding a thoughtful caption makes your post more personal and can spark conversations with other Strava users. After you've written your caption and you're satisfied with how everything looks, tap the Publish button. This will upload your photo and caption to your Strava profile, making it visible to your followers and the Strava community. Depending on your connection speed, this might take a few seconds, so just give it a moment to process and post. And that's it. You've successfully posted a photo to Strava, sharing your fitness moments with your community. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.